What's up? Today is another day on the cleaning journey. So now we are redecorating the room. Well, not redecorating the room. Now we are cleaning the room. So I have vacuumed, which y'all probably saw in the previous clips. I went ahead and vacuumed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bring in the big boy, which is the Rug Doctor. I went ahead and rented the Rug Doctor from, where did I get it from? Oh, I got it from Dollar General. I rented it from Dollar General because that's the only one that can have it. But just so everybody else knows, if you ever want to clean your carpet, you can always go to like Tom Thumb, Walmart, Kroger, or Dollar General to rent a Rug Doctor. It's $34, and then you just bring it back. And bring it back within 24 hours or 48 hours. So it's a good way to clean your kitchen. Clean your carpet. So yeah, I'm eventually gonna buy a carpet cleaner, but just right now, for this very moment and for space, I'm just gonna go ahead and rent the Rug Doctor. Now the apartments, they do come and clean the carpet, but it takes them forever. I mean, not takes them forever, but they just kind of do a run through job, and I kind of just want this to be done correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. So come on, y'all, let's get started so we can get this over with. Now, because I know I didn't say it, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because we'll love to have you a part of this journey. My name is India Olivia. And yeah, and we're just documenting this journey of me coming out of my comfort zone, and I wanted you all to come along so y'all can see the transformation and just document the journey. So yeah, come on, let's go ahead and get started so we can get done. It is, well, I don't know what time it is now, but it was 11 o'clock, so it's probably like 11:30 now. I want to get done with this by 12, by at least this first session, because you know it's a couple of sessions, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the directions. Mix hot tap water and cleaner. Fill here. Fill when liquid halfway covers the filter. What does it say? Okay. And use only cleaning product intended for the use with the machine. And then, okay, so that's pretty simple. Okay, so the cleaner that I got is the Rug Doctor Professional Oxy Deep Carpet Cleaner. So this is the cleaner brand that we got. It's 3 times the action, oxy powered, cleans, deodorant. Olivia, can you move? All right, so I am going to go ahead and fill this up. Move, Libby. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with the hottest water possible. So just turn the cold off, turn on the hot. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fill the water, Alright, I'm going to take this over. I don't know how much water it's going to need, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this in here. A bit closer. Closer, all the way in there. Alright, so pour a little bit more. Trying to see now, you can see a little bit in here that is not full, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the cleaner, the Rug Doctor cleaner. Now this says vacuum carpets and rugs, we've done that. Shake bottle. Add in the Rug Doctor, Oxy Deep Clean, That says to shake it up. We've already done that. Shaking it up really good. And then I'm gonna pour this in here. It says a half a cup, but you know, black people don't measure. So, okay, that looks good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just gonna add the rest of the water in here. Just a little bit. I can't seem to get it. Alright, so I've went ahead and added the cleaner. I've added back the dirty water bucket, which is this right here. And then I've added the clean water to the clean water tank, which is right there. Libby is, say hi, Libby.
Hi, Libby.
Okay, she's playing catch with the ball, with an orange. You gonna go ask sister to open the orange? Go ask sister. Go ask sister. Okay, so we must vacuum carpet. We did that. So step one, on the back of the machine, double check the hoses. We've done that. Pull down the wing, the wire down to remove the white dirty bucket. Set aside. We did. Mr. Rug Doctor Cleaning Solutions with hot tap water. We did. Replace the white bucket and secure the wire over. We did. This is the wire that they're referring to. So you just pull that down to release the dirty bucket, and then you just put it up to secure the dirty bucket. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started with the deep cleaning.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Dirty the water is. This is my last time doing it for this room. Now, of course, I probably should keep going until it gets clean, but I feel like that will take years, and I ain't got time for that. So this is gonna be the last time. Now, not saying this is gonna be the last time I shampoo my room, but this is gonna be the last time I do this for today. I do my shampoo my room for today. So let's go ahead and pour this stuff in. Y'all ready? It's not as bad. Okay, for the last time. All right, y'all, so this is where my bed was. So this is where all the dust and the dirt has collected on the baseboards. So this is what we need to clean next. And then also just all those markings and stuff, because this is also where my bed was. right, y'all, so we are back. We are done cleaning. We've cleaned the walls, we've vacuumed the carpet, we've shampooed the carpet. So we are officially done with cleaning of the room. Can I get a round of applause? Thank you. Thank you very much. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, and I will see y'all again in the next vlog, in the next bedroom design. Hopefully in that vlog the bed and the dresser will be coming, so y'all can go ahead and see that, and then I'm gonna let y'all see piece by piece by piece, and then we'll do an official unveiling towards the end of the journey. But yeah, I want to say thank you so much for kicking it with me and helping me get this done. It has been a very long day. I am going to edit this vlog so y'all can go ahead and start tuning in, and I will see y'all again in the next vlog. I want to make sure that y'all remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss a notification when another video has posted. And I just thank you so much. Bye.